Imagine having a garden capable of feeding your family through uncertain times, reducing grocery bills, and providing fresh food year-round. The secret lies in choosing the right crops. In this video, we'll explore 15 essential crops that every self-sufficient garden should include. Pumpkins produce large harvest and can be stored for several months without refrigeration. Rich in vitamins and minerals, they provide both nutritious flesh and edible seeds, making them highly valuable in a survival garden. Lettuce grows quickly and allows for multiple harvests throughout the season. It's one of the easiest crops for beginners and provides a steady supply of fresh salads. Garlic is prized for both its culinary and medicinal benefits. It stores well, requires little space, and can help support a healthy immune system. A small patch of garlic can provide a surprising amount of value. Potatoes are one of the most productive crops you can grow. They provide a large amount of calories in a relatively small space and store well for months after harvest. Easy to grow and highly versatile in the kitchen, potatoes are a cornerstone of any survival garden. Sweet potatoes. Sweet potatoes are incredibly resilient and thrive in a variety of climates. Not only do they produce nutritious tubers, but their leaves are also edible. Their ability to tolerate drought makes them an excellent choice for long-term food security. Beets offer two harvests in one. The roots are nutritious and delicious, while the leafy tops can also be eaten. Their versatility and hardiness make them an excellent crop for food security. Onions are a kitchen essential. They are easy to grow, require little maintenance, and store exceptionally well. Their ability to enhance countless recipes makes them a must-have crop. Carrots are rich in nutrients and store well. When properly preserved, their sweet flavor and long shelf life make them a practical addition to any self-sufficient garden. Berry scissors. Kale is a nutritional powerhouse packed with vitamins and minerals. It can tolerate cold weather and continues producing leaves over an extended period, providing a reliable source of fresh greens. Beans. Beans are an excellent source of plant-based protein and pair perfectly with corn to create a balanced food source. Many varieties are easy to grow and can be dried and stored for long periods. Cassava. Cassava is a staple food for millions of people around the world. Its roots are rich in carbohydrates and can remain in the ground until needed, acting as a natural food storage system. It's an outstanding crop for self-reliance. Corn is one of the most versatile crops a harvester can grow. It can be eaten fresh, dried for storage, ground into flour, or used as animal feed. With proper storage, corn can provide food throughout the year. Okra. Okra thrives in hot climates and continues producing throughout the growing season. Its resilience and consistent yields make it a valuable crop for gardeners in warmer regions. Tomatoes are one of the most rewarding crops to grow. They can be eaten fresh, canned, dried, or turned into sauces. Their productivity and versatility make them a favorite among gardeners. Herbs such as basil, parsley, chives, mint, and oregano add flavor, nutrition, and even medicinal benefits to your garden. Many herbs attract pollinators and can be harvested repeatedly throughout the year. A truly self-sufficient garden isn't about growing everything. It's about growing the right things. By focusing on these 15 essential crops, you'll build a garden that provides nutrition, resilience, and long-term food security. Which of these crops do you already grow? Let us know in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe for more homesteading and self-sufficiency tips.